In the heart of the Golden Desert, a new era of agriculture is dawning. This is the future of dairy.
The fresh camel milk flows directly from the milking parlor through sterile, food-grade pipelines toward cold storage.
All clamps are tight. Okay, keep an eye on the volume. We are almost full.
This vital cargo travels hundreds of miles across the arid desert, a critical link in the journey from farm to factory.
Flow rate looks consistent. We're at 45,000 liters.
Confirmed. Keep monitoring the pressure. I'll log it now.
Materials. After pasteurization, the milk flows rapidly through the plate heat exchanger. This system ensures rapid.
The high-pressure homogenizer is essential for breaking down fat molecules, ensuring the milk achieves that perfectly smooth, consistent texture.
The particle texture is looking very uniform today. Yes, the flow rate is holding steady as well.
Robotic arms precisely place the finished bottles into branded cartons. The automated palletizer
The secret to our luxury line lies in the gentle churning of the camel milk extract. We
Empuja más fuerte.
Ya casi llegamos.
Apuren, que hace frío aquí.
As dawn breaks, the first of the refrigerated tankers depart, carrying their vital cargo into the network.
We need to adjust the route around the typhoon near Taiwan.
Rerouting through the Luzon Strait now. Confirmed.
Sourced from the finest providers, our exclusive camel milk products offer unparalleled benefits for skin and health. We've exceeded the targets for both production volume and export growth, largely thanks to the upgrades here.
With annual production tonnage soaring and revenues climbing into the billions, this facility represents the pinnacle of the modern dairy industry.
Milk volume stabilized in Sector 4.
Good. Reroute the excess powder to the Asia Pac shipment.
The massive vessel, laden with highly anticipated camel milk exports, continues.
Good morning. Here is your camel milk supplement.
Thank you so much. Let me sign here.
Sign it.
Yeah.
The Q3 projections indicate a significant 20% growth, primarily driven by the factory's output.
Does this specific spike account for the recent material cost?
Yes, it does.
The Q3 projections are looking excellent, Maria.
Yes, the overseas market share increased by 10%.
The Atlantic routes are showing significant delays here.
Yes, we need to reroute the Asia shipments immediately.
If you look at the chromatograph here, the peak is much sharper.
Yes, the formulation's purity is exactly what we aimed for.
Sourced from the heart of the desert,
Our camel milk products are refined in this state-of-the-art facility.
Is that secure enough?
Yeah, give it one more click. Watch your hands on the rollers. Morning. I have your camel milk right here. Just need a signature on the device, please.
Perfect, thank you.
As you can see on the screen, our export growth metrics have exceeded all expectations.
The data suggests a reroute through the southern corridor will save us 2 days transit time.
Agreed. I'll update the manifest now.